What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Cryptodino, and I'll be discussing the recent explosion, and I'll be discussing where I think Cryptodino is heading in 2022 and onwards. If you like NFTs and you want to watch information about the most high quality NFTs and CNFTs in particular, I'd recommend you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. And as well as follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT, and as well as my own project, Nerds and Virgins. Alright, now let's dive straight into this video. So Cryptodino has been around for a while. It's one of the OGs in the CNFT community, and it has been a project that's been high up in the ranks for quite some time now. It has stood the test of time and it is a legitimate project. And recently we've seen a huge increase in the floor price from roughly 90 ADA to 185 ADA in the Cryptodino, which is the original set. And we've also seen a floor increase for Cryptodino Saviors, which is their spin-off project and a part of their play-to-earn game, and with the floor reaching almost 100 ADA, both pretty much doubling in the last week. So what's caused this? Well, news of their breeding simulator, where you can breed your dinos with dinos or your dino with a dino savior and then have an offspring in the form of an NFT. All you have to do is connect your wallet on their site, click two dinos or a dino and a dino savior that you want to breed, and then you click simulate. And then the offspring should pop up. As of now, this is just a simulator, and then when you click claim, you get trolled with this, which is quite funny from the Dinos team, but this is just to show what's to come. I'll leave a link in the description of how the breeding works with this description that they've got on their official website. It tells you about the outcomes and a number of factors which make certain characteristics more likely to appear. It also tells you about the earning of Dino coins, which will be their in-game currency. Since Cryptodino is a play-to-earn game using play-to-earn mechanics, they will earn Dino coin. And since breeding is intended to be released before the game is launched, they will be offering first-generation Cryptodino owners and Dino Saver owners to claim 750 and 500 Dino coins per asset. So if you're like me and you have over 20 of these combined, you can get your fair share of Dino coins before they're even on the market, which is insane and allows you to make even more money on these NFTs. We've seen this with Pavia recently with the Pavia airdrop, and since then the Pavia coin has skyrocketed, and by simply holding Pavia, holders have made a pretty decent bag. And I expect this to continue, and I expect Dino coins to rise in value, as I'm a firm believer in the play-to-earn game that Cryptodino are coming out with, which I've covered many times before. I'll leave the link in the description where I dive into this game quite deeply, and I'll also leave the raw paper where it talks about the game. They talk about the play-to-earn mechanics and all in-game stuff, and in my mind, I'm very bullish on this. I believe play-to-earn games are the future of gaming, and I believe this can be one of the standout games on Cardano. And anyone can say this, but I have faith in the team, and it's really important that you don't just believe in the NFT, you believe in the team, because without the team, this shit sinks. And Cryptodino have one of the best teams in all of the business. You've got quite a large team here that's full of very experienced people, with Adam being a full stack developer of 15 years experience, and you got Slowek, who's a full stack developer with 15 years of experience as well. And I've actually reached out to the team and they've both told me they've had experience in creating games before as well. So this team is no mugs, and they definitely have the budget selling out 2 whole sets in Cryptodino and Crypto Saviors. So I really do have faith in the team, as well as I have faith in the project and just the whole concept of this game, as the play-to-earn mechanics are awesome. The game seems well thought out and it seems to be fun after reading the raw paper, which of course I'll leave in the description. And as well as the NFTs themselves, they're cute and there's something for everyone, and it's a game that all ages can play. The team is something that you cannot fault, as they've nailed every step of the way, from smooth releases of actually selling the NFTs, as well as launching their own marketplace and having a very smooth website, as well as the breeding working well as well. And I could just see them to continue to smack the ball out of the park with everything that they've done. And as a consequence of this, I do believe once the play-to-earn game is around the corner, and once it's out, the value of these assets will just absolutely skyrocket, because one, they'll actually have real utility in which that you can actually earn passive income from. Similar to Axie Infinity and similar to all them play-to-earn games, once you can earn money from these, they are valuable. They are not just a photo, they can actually earn you money. And if this gets enough people on board, which I can definitely see it happening, this game could be huge for the Cardano ecosystem and a really big success. And I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I have over 20 Cryptodinos and Crypto Saviors together, and I truly do believe in this project for the long term. So how long until this happens? Well, in 2022, their play-to-earn game will be released, from my understanding, and I cannot wait for this, and I cannot wait to start earning Dino coins, because in-game currencies, once games are developed and games are being used, the in-game currencies absolutely fly. So as well as making money off the NFTs, we can also make money of actually playing the game. So Dinos, in my mind, is in a very good spot to do well. I kind of think it's slept on. Even though it's ranked 13, I just don't see enough people talking about this. But I believe they soon will, and fundamentals will prevail. Awesome art, utility, and an experienced team. I believe they're destined for greatness in the CNFT gaming world, and I do believe they'll create an awesome play-to-earn game. I've been saying this about Cryptodinos for months and months and months. This is one of the first CNFTs I minted, and I've been in love with it since, and I can honestly just see them fly in the near future. So that's my opinion, but let me know yours. Are you bullish on Cryptodinos? And if so, let me know why in the comment section below. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and most importantly found it valuable, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as well as follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you virgins next time.